What's up, guys? Derek at Legacy Speed and Body here. We got a little twist on a segment that we started last week of what's in the booth. Today we're going to talk about what's on the booth. We did a little something with our exterior wall of our booth. Every shop you go in, you basically the booths have always just been white. We wanted to do something different and wrap it, do something that represents us, we think looks cool. Leave a comment and let us know what you think. All right, guys, here it is, freshly wrapped front of our paint booth. I think it turned out pretty sick. First off, we got the Tupac symbol up here. Tupac means a lot to me. I've been listening to Pac for like 25 years now. Still bump him in the shop every time I'm working here with the boys. Listening to Tupac gets me going. Love what he stood for. Didn't ask for permission to rap any certain way. Rapped about what he believed in, and in the process transcended hip-hop music in the 90s. I think he was gangster rap. Like I said, to this day still gets me going. Definitely a rebel. Love the fact that he just did what he thought was best, didn't ask for permission, and just ended up becoming an absolute rap icon because of it. In the middle here, we got the Black Mamba symbol. Kobe Bryant, my favorite athlete of all time. Again, just absolutely love what Kobe represents. Ever since I was a kid, he's been my favorite athlete. Read all the articles, listened to the interviews, and one thing that really stuck with me over the years was the Black Mamba mentality. Just don't let anybody outwork you, right? So, there's always going to be people with more money, always going to be people, in our case, with, better tools, bigger shop, whatever. But I guarantee you nobody outworks our crew. Perfect example actually today, Saturday, 6 a.m., Saturday before Christmas, I'm in here getting ready to work, and I got half the crew coming in. The other half's coming in tomorrow. Again, nobody outworks our shop, I guarantee it. Had to throw our legacy symbols up here and our logo down here. I mean, these mean a lot to me. They're not just logos, right? They represent who we are at Legacy. Anytime you're walking at a car show and you see that logo in front of the car, you know that we put our blood, sweat, and tears into that car, and our whole group, our whole shop basically stands behind that car. So again, that means a lot to me. When I started the company over 10 years ago, and we really started to grow 5-6 years ago, I wanted to create a place that, the guys wanted to come in, they wanted to be proud of working here. And I think we definitely achieved that. We've had a guy tattoo that symbol on him. So shout out to Matt. That means a lot to me. I think it's pretty cool. Down here, we got the 67 Mustang. Always been a huge Mustang guy. I've had hundreds of Mustangs over the years. Just love Mustangs, right? My dad and my brother were always Camaro guys. And I think I was probably about 11, 12 years old. I saw my first Mustang in a field in my uncle's backyard. A 66 coupe. And I just knew from that point something was different about that car. That was me. And 3, 4, 5 years later, I ended up getting a 69 Mustang at 16. And never looked back. Had Mustangs my whole life. Drive a 68 Shelby today. Wouldn't change it for anything. So yeah, that's our new paint booth. Like I said, every time I want to get inspired and want to get going, I think I could just come over here now and chill by the paint booth and take it all in and get to work. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. All right, well, since we're here, we might as well do what's in the booth and show you what we worked on yesterday. This is one of our World of Wheels cars, so we're not supposed to be showing it quite yet, but I don't think it's too far along that you guys can't see what we've been working on. We got a 47 Pontiac. This car will be done end of March this year, so 3 months left. We got a lot to do. But what we did yesterday is we painted the jambs this satin red, ruby red. We've been doing this on the last few builds over the last couple years, and I love how it turns out. Interior, engine bay, and jambs are all satin, and then we do the same color on the exterior, but obviously gloss. I just love it. The interior, you don't get any glares when you're driving in the sun. The engine bay just looks cool, and then you carry that theme onto the jambs. So this is what Mel painted yesterday. turned out awesome. The inside of these are gonna get paneling, so you're not gonna see them. But I mean, just check that out. Love it. So again, end of March, you guys could check out this car at the World of Wheels. This will probably be the last time you see it. We don't want to show too much of it before our awesome customer Albert sees it. He's got to be the first. So come check it out at World of Wheels in a few months. Hope you guys enjoyed what's in the booth.